Dear friends, Gopa Chakravarti presenting Greenhouse, Kiatala Road, Kolkata. So, my booking number is 8981070339. Friends, be with me and keep watching. But I need to tell you, please do subscribe the channel and share it with your friends if you've liked. Let's start. Yes, this sari I wanted to show you. This is with that bandhani touch, We have done this bandhani on this and put slight sequins to develop this sari. This is a very pretty sari, very pretty. And we've given this blouse piece, अजरक वाली blouse piece इसमें दिया हुआ है. ये काफ़ी शानदार साड़ी है. ये जब पहनोगे ना बहुत सुंदर लगता है. मेरे पास भी एक है and it gives a very delicate look, very delicate look. देखिए इसके साथ ये ब्लाउज भी बहुत जच रही है. And they're all hand work, dear friends. They aren't machine embroidery, they're all hand by hand. It's toil. Purishramer result. And this is also hand work, dear friends. This is hand work. And with this blouse, it looks awesome. That much I can tell you. I vouch for this sari. This is for 6,900. 6,900 as this is on a super fine half tussar. Very fine quality half tussar. You love to carry this. খুব মজায় পরবেন, সারা দিন পরে থাকতে পারবেন. ভারী বাহারের শাড়ি এটা, আর আমার খুব প্রিয় শাড়ি. We keep making this design off and on. কখনো কখনো তৈরি হয়েই যায়. Look at this. This is the one which is going for 6,900. And here's the one like mine, what I'm wearing. It has a jal embroidery all throughout. This is like this. This whole effect is like this. This is the one. Love this sari. And I'm wearing it, it's so light. Look at this. I'll give you this color this time. Eta dekho. Color ta dekho. Look at this. Though this is hand machine, but it hasn't added to the weight. This, what do we call? This artisan of mine, he has wonders in his hands. बहुत डेलिकेटली और बहुत जो मशीन का जो पिछला वाला सूता होता है वो भी बहुत हल्का देता है, बहुत सुंदर बनता है. सो इट डजंट, दे आरंट वेरी हेवी, वेरी लाइट. So much of jal, so much of denseness in the embroidery, but it doesn't give you that heavy feel. Light, very lightweight. Look at this, how beautiful this is. यही साड़ी दूसरे कारीगरों से काफ़ी हम लोगों ने ट्राई किया है, बनवाने से हेवी बन जाती है, बट ये बहुत हल्की बनी है. All throughout jal work. And the same price, 4,600. 4,600 on a, now this is 4,400, dear friends. This is 4,400 and on this, Dhonikhali cotton. And the color, oof. Look at the color. Color ta dekhao, color hi to ashol shan hai sari ka. Color ठीक हो तो बहुत सुंदर लग जाएगा. देखो, this is the one, okay? And this is on the cotton, lightweight cottons. What we thought we'll show you during the summers, maybe for regularly I'm coming out with cottons just to please you. आराम से पहनिए, रोज का नेसेसिटी आइटम, everyday necessity. This is the one. This is all handwork. Again, this important thing is, if it is handwork, it doesn't add to the weight because it's with a single thread. They've made the handwork. हल्की साड़ी है और बहुत आराम होगा पहनने में. These are like this. I think 31 na? 3200 dear friends, 3200. They're all काथा embroidery. Down the आंचल ये सारी काथा बना हुआ है. सारा embroidery काथा. And these are the Parsi work. But the principal thing is, it is very light to carry for your summers. Again, this is Resham Kota. Resham Kota te to this is the color. This is the color. And Kutch work, Kutch embroidery on Resham Kota, which is lined up with this piping to strengthen the sari, to beautify the sari. And with this kind of blouse piece, fantastic combination, fabulous. এটা দেখো, देखिए, हर एक साड़ी में measurement has to be correct, otherwise it won't. Somewhere we have seen, this is hardly this embroidery is done. It's not. It should cover the waist. And sometimes I've seen in some of my purchased saris, so they will put it like this, till here. And even for the back side also, we make the embroidery properly so that from the back also, if you can look at this, if you see, it should be all covered with this embroidery. नहीं तो पीछे तो हल्की खाली दिखती है, ये पूरा एम्ब्रॉयडरी करवानी पड़ता है. And this is costing how much? I don't remember. This is 3600 dear, 3600. And again, if you're taking two saris together, two at a time, then on the total amount, we are giving you 10% discount. This is the one. Look at this. These Resham Kotas are in much demand. Look at this. Very lightweight saris. And this design is very pretty. देखो हल्की सी बनी हुई है. This is the design. Lightweight Resham Kotas. You can survive only this heat with cottons. Cottons pehniye, cottons, I promote cottons. Going for 3300 dear friends, 3300 for this. Same here. One more. Soft colors, soft pink. Soft pink and this magenta thread. Awesome. Purplish magenta this is. The stretch is so beautifully done up. Lightweight material, desired by you all to 3300 only. 3300 for this. 3300. And this is the one on Resham Kota again. This scalloping work is very artistically done up. Look at this. एटा देखो, ये देखिए, इसका चमत्कार देखिए. Such a beauty. Such a beauty, such a lovely piece. Look at these. And with French knots and whatnot, we have been given stem stitches, and these are knot booties. Very many kind of booties. देखिए, और देखिए नीचे the skirt is so beautifully made up. Look at this wonderful effect. Look at this. And the whole body is with small booties like this. They're all handwork, handmade things from greenhouse. This is for 4,800 dear, because of the embroidery. 4,800. Look at this. Rich embroidery. This is the one. It's like this. Some sort of applique work, tone on tone. Snow White. Look at this. These are all applique done up and they're stitched. This is the blouse piece with the sari. Resham Kota. 2,400 dear. 2,400 only. Look at this. What a beauty. All applique saris, the simple ones. These are going for 3,600. 3,600 for this. And this is the black Resham Kota. This is the Kathiawadi work, Kathiawadi stitch. Look at this. Such a beauty. This is the Kathiawadi work. ভালো করে দেখিয়ে দাও এটা. With this kind of BP. These are all evergreen things. They we keep making and they keep selling also. There's a lot of demand for these saris. This is 3,800 dear on Resham Kota. Very colorful one. 3,800 for this. এটাও দেখুন. This is a woven bordered sari. Look at this weaving. Very light. It isn't stiff, dear friends. This is a very lightly woven and with this kind of material. It's a very lightweight material which will not stick to your body. So I thought, let me bring this material and do some Kutch work on it. This is the Kutch work done up with different kind of all three colors. We've put the Kutch embroidery on this material. Lightweight material again, procured from the market. This is the one. This is how the sari will look like with the palla. Eta আঁচল, আঁচলটা এইভাবে হয়েছে, and the blouse part we have given only this portion, so you can use it for your sleeves and for the back. This is priced 4600. 4600. এটাও একটু দেখিয়ে দিই. This is the one. This is our woman team doing all these things. They're all mix match effect, inspired by Lambani stitches they've been doing now. We made them learn some stitches and they're doing now with this kind of result. But they're bright, they're beautiful, they have that Banjara effect. It's again a very light material. This is like this. They have that semi-tussar effect. This is the आंचल. आंचल ही बाहर है इसका. आंचल में ही बाहर. And this is the blouse piece of the sari. Blouse piece of the sari, and the sari goes for how much? It's not marked. Same 4600. 4600. 4600 for a beautiful piece. Look at this. Such a stylish one. $4,600, dear. And a few silks to end up with. Those who were waiting and watching my program, they could see these silks and enjoy. These are the Bishnupur silks. Batiks from Greenhouse. Showering batiks now from Greenhouse. They're all around 400 gram silk. Hand batiks. Hand batiks from Greenhouse. This is the Aanchal part. Look at this. The front. This is what the effect will be like this. All going for 6,200, dear friends. 6,200 for all my silk batiks. Silk batiks are 6,200. Oh, lovely color. It's a difficult task getting batiks ready. It's patience and patience. Dekho, look at this. How beautiful it comes. Lovely batiks this time. Royal blue in color. Dekhiye, look at these. This corner has been highlighted. Aanchaler corner ta dekho, it will be like this. Silk batiks from Greenhouse, 6,200, dear friends. But once again, if you're taking anything with this, you're getting that same facility, 10% off if you're taking two on the total amount. This is the one. Top Shon Shundur. Look at the color. This is a fresh color. And very good quality. Very good quality. Believe me, these are around 450 grams, not only 400. Because we weighed, this is a very heavy quality. Look at the beauty. They're all hand batiks. They're not the printed ones with block batiks. They're not. They're hand batik. This is how it is. This is the achal part. This is the one. Again, the same weight, because when she is bringing near me, when I get the sari in hand, I could just make out the weight is so good. It's the best of quality. Look at this. The chocolate and the pink has come out so well. This is the one. It's like this. And here goes the blouse piece for the sari. Look at this. All for 6,200. This is 7,600. This is 7,000. This is Shoru Tulir Batik. This is 7,600. And this is on a tussar. This is on a tussar, dear friends. Look at this. This is styled like this. And the color. Color is richness to dekho. It's not a very commonly you will see this color. Very unusual. This is the color. Look at this. Such a styled one. So traditional. It'll give you a Sophie look. Look at this. Look at the designing. They're all wax batik. And this is on Gachi tussar. The Gachi tussar look, and this is the blouse piece with the sari. This is the blouse piece with the sari. And this is costing 7,600. This is costing 7,600, dear. Same here. Look at this. What an elaborate work. Lot of work. Onek kaj hoy egulote. Look at this. So batiks from Greenhouse. Even I feel very satisfied when I show you. This color is from the mixing of two colors. Look at this. This color has come out so beautiful. It enhances the skin quality, skin color. And this is the blouse piece of the sari. $7,400 for this piece. Look at the volume, so much of work. And this is the one. Look at this. Those who are nearby, they can come and visit us. And otherwise, friends, you have to trust me. and take for once. যারা নিয়েছেন তারা তো বলে দেবেন, but the quality is good, I assure you. These are all going from around 7,400 to 7,600 according to the designing. This is the end of my show, no? This is also 7,000, very colorful one. এটাও আমার খুব ভালো লাগে. I like this one. This is giving so much of color, and lavender, pink, and darun সুন্দর শাড়িটা. Look at this. This will be like this. This is a batik. It's like this. So very colorful, but it isn't loud. Soothing colors. And at the end of my show with this sari, this is a running blouse piece. We can make a blouse with this, or you can just mix match with any of your reds or pinks. Maybe with the bright yellow, it'll look nice. Chalo friends, take care of yourself and stay blessed. Love you all, friends.